Why can't I make a public profile on Snapchat? Let's get started. In case you want to create public profile on Snapchat, but you have no idea how to create it or you are not getting the option, follow these steps. First, launch your Snapchat. Make sure you have already logged into your account. Now navigate to the profile page. For that, click on the Bitmoji icon given at the top left corner. Once you're in the profile page, scrolling down, you will find the option of Create Public Profile. In case you don't find that option, what you have to do is first up, check for the updates for the app Snapchat. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now search for the app Snapchat. After app appears, you will find the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. With this, your problem might be resolved. Next up, what you want to do is open it. Now, navigate to the settings page. For that, click on the settings icon given at the top right corner. Now scroll down, head over to the section of privacy controls. Under that, you're going to find different options. First up, click on the option of See My Location. Disable for the option of Ghost Mode. With this, your location will be public. Now click on the option of View My Story. Set it to My Friends. Click on the option of Contact Me. Set it to Friends and Contacts. Click on the option See Me in Quick Ad. Enable for the option. Likewise, click on the option of Activity Indicator. Enable for the option Activity Indicator. After you customize these settings, you'll be good to go. You'll be able to create the public profile. Now you can head back, navigate to the profile page. You'll find the option of public profile. So that's a wrap for this video. If this guide was helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.